This is KARL-JAMES, episode of Archaeology Cymru. I'm at the Atlantic Trade Estate, Barry. Trespassing? Yes, I am. I haven't got permission to be here, so I'm breaking all the rules of archaeology. Yes, I am a fully qualified archaeologist, fully experienced, and I'm doing my bit for archaeology. This site here is not being monitored by the county archaeologists, which they should be monitoring this. This is what we partially pay the county archaeologists to actually monitor, and they're supposed to be here paid by the developer to monitor this sensitive archaeological landscape, which dozens of burials have been found over the past 100 years. Various sites, Viking, Bronze Age, as you know, easily destroyed. Lots of associations to do with Roman burials, Iron Age burials, Bronze Age mounds, various other things. In the 1930s, a bit further on down the road, there were 5 sets of human remains found in wonderful stone sarcophagi, but that was all lost. But here I'm looking at the ground today. I've got my tool of the trade, and let's sort of wander across, and if we see anything, we'll be very lucky. The ground has been extensively churned up, and if anyone wants to shout and scream and say I've got no right to be here, this is your heritage. I am monitoring to see if there's any archaeology here. There's so much being lost in Wales these days that I've gone past caring whether I'm breaking the law or regulations. And oh my god, I haven't put this on the ground, but there's a coin. A coin. Wow, excellent. Wow. A coin, an old penny. So there you go, an old penny. I'll put this in the diagram. So this looks like it's I haven't really got my glasses on, it's a bit muddy, but got a coin straight away. I couldn't have even planted that even if I tried. So as you wander along here, you know, there's so much being lost, and if you think there's anything being lost on your doorstep because of developments, it seems very strange at Cowbridge that a whole estate has gone up and no archaeology is being found, even though it's next door to a major Roman site and Iron Age hill fort. So if we sort of go up here, looks like other people have been wandering along here as well. Lots of mud, lots of sort of bits of slate and things. What am I exactly looking for? Well, I'll tell you what, if there were human remains along here, then it would be absolutely terrible, really. Being churned up, but this is the type of landscape that you're going to find anything. And I was criticised for something recently by somebody called Maya Z, who was commenting that I'm no longer a member of the Institute of Field Archaeology. Well, if I was a member of the Institute of Field Archaeology, this would be breaking all the rules and I wouldn't be here. So there's nothing there, but that's the type of thing I'm looking for. Sort of black bits and pieces. Actually no pottery here at all yet. Sort of that's the type of thing we're looking for, but no, that's not bone. I'm going to try and do this before it gets dark. We get off site as well. So I don't think developers are too bothered with prosecuting people like me for trespassing on land. They've got enough things to do. There's the natural stone there. There's a natural stone that looks like a sandstone, not a sandstone, yeah, no, that's a limestone actually. So that looks like a Carboniferous type stone. Interesting. Carb lime, 350 million years old. So anyway, just keep wandering across here. Sort of, okay, nothing much to see at this minute. Okay. So where should I go next? Up that bank maybe, all the way over to the edge where we've got some layers. So I'm gonna go over there. I think the old ways of doing things by the book are now gone, because less and less archaeological work is taking place, even though there's more and more developments. So that really doesn't make sense at all. So I'm just going to wander along here up this bank. It's rather steep. The geography around here is really steep, really mixed. Thing is, if there was any archaeology here, it's been really churned up and mucked up. But I just want to see those layers along there, see if I can see any strata or anything in profile. There's no security on you, which is good, but whatever's happening here, I'm sure if anything was found, I don't think they would say anything anyway. So that's the natural. So we're looking at back there, it looked like a Carboniferous stone, but this is the local Triassic, the red stones and all the rest of it. So if we're going to see anything in profile, it'd be in those sort of top layers. So let's sort of trace this along here and see if we can find anything. Again, this is where I am, the Bendricks. I'm looking over towards the docks, so the coast is that way. So if there was anything here, I'm sure I would see it. What's that there? Circular stone. It's a pebble, beach pebble. So I'm just thinking, you know, it's been raining heavily. Where to go next? Anyway, that's the end of that. So that's end of part 1. So part 2 coming up.